will be on the web.
Oh, great. We're here like 3 hours.
Vinny.
What?
He doesn't know my name.
Dario.
Okay, Peyton. Okay, now she might be getting a little mad.
Yeah, she's not into it.
She's growling. Lucy, you just get mad. She's a little tired now.
We might get this night to do,
Dave, I honestly think they're playing.
I really don't think it's playing.
Well, actually, Peyton's playing.
What do you think, Vinny?
Lucy's pissed off.
Oh.
Yeah, and
All right,
Peyton
Lucy.
realizes it.
Peyton. Peyton.
Buddy, too bad you don't want to go home. That's when he's going to go
Oh,
bye-bye.
you want to sleep over?
Is this your shoe? You're getting your ass kicked, baby.
Oh, yeah.
This is going to bite your ear
Lucy's
off.
a killer dog.
Lucy,
Lucy,
she's
come
like,
here.
Peyton, why do I don't get any company? You're not nice.
All right, Peyton.
come here.
You don't want to go bye-bye. Why, you want to stay here with Lauren?
Lucy's
You want
got
to
a
stay with
mouthful of
Lauren?
paper.
You want to stay here with Vinny?
You want to sleep over?
Okay, Lucy, jump up here.
Say yes.
Lucy.
He's gonna snap her ear off.
Do you keep them
Actually-
bikes down there?
Whew.
Peyton.
Lauren?
Vinny, would you get the dog?
Lauren,
Yeah,
keep
it's
them
not
bikes
playing.
on the
Okay,
thing there?
that's enough.